it's Heidi with WTI, and I just love the style and quality of my new Hunter Hartland low profile ceiling fan. It just completed the look of my kitchen perfectly. I have low ceilings, and this low profile housing worked perfectly. It sits so nicely flush to the ceiling. It has adjustable speed, and the pull chains are easy to use and are labeled light and fan. So you don't have to guess which pull chain controls which function. The color of this is called Noble Bronze, and it looks so nice with the gray fan paddles. The seated glass light covers are a beautiful detail and match so nicely with the style of my kitchen. This Hunter Hartland low profile ceiling fan is exactly what I wanted to complete the farmhouse look in my small kitchen. It fits nicely, it has great quality, it's quiet, and it has really pulled together the look I was going for. And that's my point of view.